This impressive bridge for walking and cycling is located in the province of Flevoland, the Netherlands' youngest province, reclaimed from the sea. This particular area was created only in the late 1960s. In the outer reaches of Almere, a city founded as recently as 1976, the bridge connects two contrasting parts of the city, a forest and an industrial zone. Commissioned by the province of Flevoland in 2018, the bridge was officially opened in October 2022. It stretches 250 meters in total, crossing a road with a span of 40 meters, slightly raised to allow clearance, and a span of 60 meters over the Hogevaart canal. The inclines, both the straight ramp on the south side and the curved on-ramp on the north side, are a gentle 4%, making it easy to cycle onto the bridge. The bridge was designed as a floating sculptural element that integrates carefully into its surroundings. On the southern side it aligns with the straight lines of the polder landscape. On the northern side, its curved form flows naturally into the adjacent woodland. Two projecting viewpoints add something special to the design, strengthening the bridge's relationship with its environment. From one side you can look out towards the monument to the founding fathers of Almere. On the other, a wide wooden bench offers a new perspective on the Green Cathedral, the Green Cathedral. A Green Cathedral? Indeed, it's a piece of landscape art, an artistic planting of poplar trees that mirrors the dimensions and layout of the Cathedral of Notre Dame in Reims, France. The Green Cathedral is 150 meters long and 75 meters wide. Planted in 1987, the poplars have now reached a height of about 30 meters. The bridge itself is built from corten steel and wood. The wooden elements line the top of the railings, and beneath them a strip of LED lighting illuminates the bridge at night. The structure was meant to appear slender and playful when viewed from the side, while providing ample space on the deck for additional functions. One of these is a circular staircase in the middle of the bridge, offering direct access to a bus stop below. It may seem rather remote, but people do use the bus here, whether to reach the industrial area or the Green Cathedral. The staircase makes the bridge easily accessible from ground level. Originally, a glass lift was included at the center of the staircase. Unfortunately, early in 2023, the lift was severely damaged. A glass lift in such a remote location turned out to be too vulnerable to vandalism. An explosion destroyed it beyond repair. The shaft is currently boarded up and will be replaced by a permanent structure in the coming months. The province noted that no complaints had been received about the lack of step-free access to the bus stop, and the high cost, combined with the risk of renewed damage, led to the decision not to replace the lift. This bridge has significantly improved the quality of the cycling network. It overcomes the barrier posed by the N305 road and the Hogevaart canal, creating new and more efficient routes for both cyclists and pedestrians.